This video is the solution of exercise 1B limits from R. Agarwal book, question number 29 and 30. So let's start question number 29. Question number 29 is limit of x is 0, cosec x minus cot x by x. First of all, we know cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x. हमें ये मालूम है cosec x इक्वल टू 1 by sin x होता है एंड cot x इज इक्वल टू cos x by sin x. So we will put this here. Limit of x is 0, 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x by x. Now we can see this 1 by sin x and here also 1 by sin x is common. So 1 by sin x common निकालेंगे 0 1 by sin x. So here 1 minus cos x by x. Limit of x is 0 by using half angle formula. By using half angle formula, 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. So ये वैल्यू हम इसकी जगह पे लिख सकते हैं. So 1 by sin x into 2 sin square x by 2 by using this formula by x ये वाला. Now limit of x is 0. This sin x and this x is in multiplication now. We can write 2 sin square x by 2 by sin x into x. इसे हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, ये 1 by sin x है, ये sin x इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई में आ जाएगा और ये चीज ऊपर है 2 sin square x by 2 by sin x into x. बस यही चीज मैंने यहाँ लिखा है 2 sin square x by 2 by sin x into x. अब by using double angle formula, sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Limit of x is 0 to sin square x by 2. इस फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से अब हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 into x ये वाला. अब ये sin x by 2 और sin x by 2 कैंसिल, 2 कैंसिल. अब हमारे पास बचा लिमिट ऑफ x इज 0 sin x by 2. यहाँ पे एक sin x by 2 बाकी है, 2 था, एक कैंसिल किया हमने, नीचे cos x by 2 into x. ये cos x by 2 into x. तो इसे हम tan x by 2 लिख सकते हैं. So limit of x is 0, tan x by 2 by x। अब हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला है जिसमें कि tan x by x लिमिट ऑफ x इज 0, ये वैल्यू होती है 1। तो यहाँ पे ये x, ये भी x और लिमिट भी x इज 0। तो उस हिसाब से हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे ये x by 2 है तो इसे हम x by 2 बनाएंगे। 1 by 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 1 by 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1 by 2 से डिवाइड भी करेंगे। तो 2 से एक्चुअली डिवाइड किया तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया। So now here is 10 x by 2. Here is x by 2. When limit of x is 0, then limit of x by 2 is also 0. So we can write this limit of x by 2 is 0, 10 x by 2 by x by 2. Here is 2, so this 1 by 2 we will write outside of limit because there is no x. As per this formula, we can write this equal to 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. This is the solution of question number 29. Question number 30 is limit of x is 0, cot 2x minus cosec 2x by x. So first of all, we know that cot 2x is equal to cos 2x by sin 2x, and cosec 2x is equal to 1 by sin 2x. Now we will put this here. Limit of x is 0, cos 2x by sin 2x minus 1 by sin 2x by x. Here we can see 1 by sin 2x is common. 1 by sin 2x is here, 1 by sin 2x is here. 1 by sin 2x is common. Limit of x is 0, 1 by sin 2x cos 2x minus 1 by x. Now we will take minus common, means we will write like this: limit of x is 0 minus 1 by sin 2x. Now here 1 minus cos 2x by x. We know 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x. This is the formula, and as per that we can write 1 minus cos 2x is equal to, sorry, this is x by 2. So as per this formula, this is sine square x, 2 sine square x, because if we will do here, this is x and this is x by 2. So this is 2x. So 2x by 2 is equal to x. So here we are writing only x. So as per this formula, we can write this 2 sine square x. Here is 1 minus, then we will write limit of x is 0. Now here we will put formula 1 minus 1 by sine 2x, and here we will write 2 sine square x. So it's minus 1 by sine 2x into 2 sine square x by x. As per double angle formula, sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. Now we will put formula limit of x is 0 minus 1 by 2 sine x cos x into 2 sine square x. Now 1 sine and by x. Don't forget any of the alphabets. Mm. So we will cancel sine, 1 sine x here and sine x here. Now the remaining is limit of x is 0, 1 minus 2 also cancel, cos x into sine x by x. Now we can write this sine x by cos x is equal to tan x. So we will write here limit of x is 0 minus tan x by x. Now the formula is limit of x is 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. So as per this formula, we will write here minus, we will keep this minus out, limit of x is 0, tan x by x, and this is as per the formula, this is equal to 1. So here the question number 29 and 30 is over, and if you like the video, please press the like button. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.